Distant crowd noise, conga drums, engine revving, and El Jefe yelling off mic. Who took my CHANCLA 9 badges? He lands in style, shades on at night. Wears his badge like he might start a fight. Empire says arrest him, he laughs instead. Call me when the rebels bring pan sobao and bread. Got muscles like a walk-in protein ad. Flirts with chaos like it's not that bad. Space for Puerto Rico in his soul and step. Even his spaceship got reggaeton reps. He don't kneel, he don't fold. He's got jokes and abs of gold. One-liner king, rebel with a fry. Y'all fighting fascists, cool, let me swing by. El Jefe and trot, no rules, just vibes. Drinks your space beer, steals your rides. Shoots a law book, flirts mid-brawl. Calls his flex diplomatic protocol. No throne, no leash, just space and game. Say it loud now, El Jefe's the name. Teaches Axel how to punch with style, then bribes the ref with a wink and a smile. Got kicked out of Empire orientation twice. Showed up shirtless, said y'all got rice. Fought a robot bear for fun one time. Live streamed it, added beats to the climb. Rotary drama on his riot shield. Then danced salsa across the battlefield. Boricua bold, gremlin sold. Turns a shootout into a dance roll. He's loud, he's proud, a cosmic flirt. You're under arrest for being fine, girl. El Jefe entra, hide your snacks. He steals your food and roasts your tax. Takes no sides, just takes the mic. Shouts Viva Space Rican on every strike. No script, no fear, no shame. Say it loud down, El Jefe's the name. El Jefe, you arresting me, bro? I am the law. Now hold this churro, I gotta suplex someone. El Jefe entra Empire's stress. He's the glitch in the system in a muscle vest. Fires jokes like laser beams. Meme war champ in your wildest dreams. No plan, just vibes. No shame, just flame. Remember the name. El Jefe's the name. Ay bendito, where's my pernil?